In this video, we're going to discuss sequences. A sequence is just a part of UiPath that allows you to create linear processes. One of the key features to sequence is that it can be reused time and time again as a standalone automation or as part of a state machine or a flowchart. If you recall, in the last video, we created a process with a flowchart and we dragged inside a input as well as a message box. We could have easily put all of this code within a sequence. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to come up here and click New in Sequence. And by default, again, UiPath will save this sequence that we're about to create in your Documents folder and whatever folder inside of Documents that you specify. So we're going to call it Sequence 1. And now we have a new sequence created that we can always recall time and time again as a standalone automation or within our flowchart or a state machine. So now what we're going to do is the same thing that we did last time. We're going to search for an input, drag it inside of the sequence, give it a title, Sequence 1, or whatever you want to call it. And we're going to say enter favorite football team. And then we're going to provide an output, Control K, fave team. And then now we're going to search again for the message box just by typing box. We're going to fave team. And so now we can run this without having to have the start and connect it from the start. We can just run it from here, and let's give it a try. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.